Good. The dad jumped more. That's epic.
Yeah.
Yep. How we doing, guys? How we doing? I like your purse. Let's go. Go ahead. You get out? Yeah. What's up, man? What's up, brother? How we doing? Go. Don't fucking lower down the window. How we doing, brother? You got it right now? Yeah. Yeah, it fucking jumped.
Oh shit, I'm bringing it down.
Is that a guy or a girl?
A single dude just chilling.
Go ahead. That didn't do shit, man. What did the dog do?
Dude,
The dog
I shook like a dude. I shook so fucking bad.
No, didn't do shit, man. These guys are good, man. That dog knows. He knows. He's like suckers. And go. Head. Good. Yep.
Dude, I don't want to go talk.
What's up, brother? Hey, record this good. What's up, man? How we doing, man? What's your name, brother?
Silk, man.
What's up, man?
Let's get that horn at.
Hornblasters.com, man. We're just from the video, you know?
What y'all doing? A documentary, man, on pimps and players, man?
Yeah.
I'll be out here, man.
Oh, yeah?
What y'all gonna put this on YouTube or something?
Yeah, man.
Let them know what Big Pimp and Silk is still out here, man.
All right, brother.
Still stacking a dollar, man. You know
All
what I'm saying?
Brothers? Filming a video, man. Oh, come on, you gotta be in it.
Aw, come on.
Come on, it's gonna be on MTV, man. It's gonna be on MTV, man. You know what? Come on, man. Hey, come on, brother. Hey, get him over there. Yeah. Go ahead.
Oh, I missed it.
You good? Yeah. Go.
Got it?
Yeah.
Can't see shit.
You good right now? Yeah. How we doing? That's a fucking Snorlax for you. Damn!